Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through the easy steps to install and set up your Blink Video Doorbell. From downloading the Blink app and creating an account to mounting the doorbell and syncing it with your Wi-Fi, we've got you covered. Whether you're a beginner or experienced with smart devices, this tutorial will ensure you get your doorbell up and running in no time. Stay tuned for helpful tips on optimizing its features for your home security. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the Blink Video Doorbell box, you'll find the video doorbell itself, 2 AA lithium batteries for power, and mounting hardware, including screws and anchors. Additionally, it comes with a backplate for wall mounting and a user manual with step-by-step instructions. Some packages may also include optional adhesive strips for easier installation. Start by installing the Blink Home Monitor app on your smartphone or tablet. This app is available for both iOS, Apple's App Store, and Android, Google Play. The app is essential because it lets you control and monitor your Blink devices, including the video doorbell. If you don't have a Blink account yet, you'll need to create one. Open the app, tap Create Account, and follow the instructions. You'll be asked to provide an email address and create a password. If you already have a Blink account, simply log in using your existing credentials. Once logged into the app, look for the plus icon, usually in the upper right corner. Tap it, select Blink Video Doorbell from the list of devices, and then scan the QR code found on the back of the doorbell. This QR code helps the app identify your specific device and connect it to your account. After the device is recognized by the app, the next step is to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Follow the in-app prompts, select your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong near the doorbell's installation location to avoid connection issues. Once the setup in the app is complete, it's time to physically install the doorbell. Blink provides screws and wall anchors for this purpose. You can use a screwdriver or drill to mount the doorbell securely on the wall near your front door. If you prefer a non-permanent installation, some kits may include double-sided adhesive strips. If you have a Blink Sync module, you can pair it with the doorbell for enhanced features like local video storage or better battery performance. To do this, add the Sync module to the Blink app first, if not already done, and then follow the prompts to sync it with your doorbell. If you have a chime, connect it for a traditional doorbell sound when someone presses the button. Finally, test the doorbell by pressing the button to make sure it's working properly. You can also adjust settings like motion detection, video quality, and notifications through the app. If needed, you can enable or adjust the two-way talk feature, which allows you to communicate with visitors remotely. With these steps completed, your Blink Video Doorbell should be fully functional and accessible via the app for monitoring and control. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.